Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make the best white sangria. We'll start by selecting the perfect fruits, like juicy peaches, sweet berries, and bright citrus, which are essential for a vibrant flavor. Then, we'll choose a crisp, dry white wine, such as a Pinot Grigio or Sauvignon Blanc, to form our base. A touch of simple syrup will balance the sweetness, and chilling everything thoroughly ensures a refreshing drink. Get ready to craft a delightful beverage that's perfect for any gathering. Now, let's get our ingredients ready. First, wash and slice 2 ripe peaches, 1 cup of fresh strawberries, and 1 orange into thin pieces. You can also add about a half cup of raspberries or blueberries for an extra pop of color and flavor. For the wine, select a crisp, dry white like a Pinot Grigio or Sauvignon Blanc. Pour the entire standard bottle, which is about 7,500 milliliters, into your pitcher. The key is to choose a wine that enhances the fruit, not overwhelms it. Next, we'll perfect the sweetness and add a little kick. To make a quick simple syrup, combine 1/4 cup of granulated sugar with 1/4 cup of hot water. Stir until the sugar fully dissolves, then set it aside to cool completely. Once cooled, add this syrup to your pitcher. For an extra layer of flavor, pour in about 1/4 cup of a complementary liqueur, such as triple sec for a citrus note or a good brandy for warmth. Remember, you can always adjust the syrup to your taste. Finally, it's time to bring everything together. Add all your prepared fruits and the cooled simple syrup into the pitcher with the wine and liqueur. Give it a gentle stir to ensure all those wonderful flavors start to meld. This is a crucial step. Now, cover your pitcher and refrigerate the sangria for at least 4 hours, but ideally overnight. This allows the flavors to fully develop. When ready to serve, pour it over ice and garnish with a few fresh fruit slices. Enjoy your perfectly crafted white sangria.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.